No clothes right on the mountain tonight. That's the prince. The kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm free. The wind is howling like a swelling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. The sunny has some distance, makes everything seem small. And the fears the ones control me can't get to me at all. Time to see what I can do to push the limits and break through. There ain't no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go, and rise up in the sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. I don't care what they're going to say. My power flies through the air into the ground. The soul is spiraling, it doesn't fractals all around. The warmth that crystallizes like an icy blast. I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go, let it go. And I rise at the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. I know I got the words wrong. I don't care what they're going to say. The words are wrong. Never bothered me anyway.